Hi guys, this is Python lecture series 10. In this lecture, we are going to see various operations on list in Python with the suitable examples. So the operations on list, what we are going to see in this lecture is append, extend, remove, pop, del, clear and insert. So I will give you the examples for all these operations. You can write in your own words the purpose of all these operations after listening to this lecture very carefully. Let us see append operation on a list in Python. So in this part of the code, we have created a list with the name A and the elements are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Next, we are given A dot append. Within the brackets, we are given value 14. So after this operation, the element 14 will be added as the last element of the list A. That means adding at the end. So if you print this list now, so what will happen? So you run this command. Okay. So you can see that the list 14 is also included. You should remember that the append operation will take only one argument. That means you can add only one element at a time. Let us see extend method to add any iterable like list, set, tuple, etc. Actually, presently we are going to see a demo with the list only. Let us discuss set and tuple and all later. So in this part of the code, we have created a list with the name A and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and another list B with the elements are 6, 7, 8, 9. So when you print the list A, initially it will have only 5 elements. But after the operation A dot extend of B, the list B, that means the elements in the list B will be added with the list A. Then you can see the list A which will have the elements of A and B. So if you run this code, so you can see that initially the list A is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the extend operation, the elements of B is also added with the A. So that is the use of the extend method. Let us see remove operation in a list. So we have created a list with the name cars and the elements are Tata, Ford, Maruti, Skoda and Kia. I am giving the operation cars dot remove of the particular element, for example Ford. So this element will be removed from the list. So if you see the output of this operation, so run the list. So what will happen now? So the Ford element is removed from the list cars. But we should remember that this remove command, when there are more occurrences of the same element, it will remove only the first occurrence. What does it means actually? Suppose in the same example, you assume the Ford element also appears somewhere in the list again, but it will delete or it will remove only the first occurrence. Let us see pop method to remove an element in specified index. So we have created a list with the name colors and the elements are black, red, white, yellow, violet. So if you give the operation colors dot pop 2, here 2 is the index value. So we already discussed the index in a list starts from 0. So what is the value in index 2 is you start from 0, 0, 1, 2. So what will happen? This white element will be removed from the list. So if you print the colors, so what will happen? The white element will be removed from the list. Suppose if I give the operation like this colors dot pop without any index value, so the effect of this operation is it will remove the last element. That means the last element in the list is violet that will be removed. So we will see the output of this command. We run this cell. So you see that the first white is removed. So black, red, yellow, violet. Next, I am giving the pop command without any index value. So the last element violet is also removed. So finally the list will contain black, red and yellow. So this is the use of pop operation. Let us see the use of del and clear keyword in Python. We have created a list A with the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. The operation del A of 2, what it will do, it will delete the element available in the index or position 2. So you know the index starts from 0. So when you start from index 0, 1, 2, so the element 5 will be deleted from the list. So when I print the list A, the list will be printed without the element 5. Next, del A. This means that delete the entire list. That means all the elements will be deleted and the list will not be available after this operation. Next, you create a list with the name B and the elements are 6, 7, 8. But here I am giving B dot clear. So this clear command will delete only the elements, but a list will be available to you. So when I print the list B, it will print as a empty list. So when you run this code, so you can see that the list is printed without the element 5, isn't it? 1, 3, 7, 9, 10. Next, empty list. Let us see insert operation in a list. Insert an element in a list at a specified index. We have created a list with the name A and the elements are 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So when I give the operation A dot insert, two arguments are given. The first one specifies the index value, that is position. That is here we are given 3. So 3 means you start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this place, the 7 value 7 will be inserted. So if I give the print the list command, so you can see that C7 is inserted at this position, that is before 8. So that is a use of insert operation.